Alright guys, today we're taking a look at the Kershaw Natrix with the blue G10 and the black carbon fiber. Wonderful knife and great action, if I do say so myself. The overall length is 7.5 inches, blade length of 3 1/4, and it is 8CR13 MOV steel. It's got a really unique kind of sheepsfoot blade style to it, and I like it. The handles are 4 1/4 of an inch, and they, like I said before, G10, blue G10 on this model with carbon fiber over the top. It looks like it is a laminate. Yeah, it's a laminate. Now, the overall weight is 2.9 ounces, and here's a clothespin for tactical. Whoa! Here's a tactical clothespin for size comparison. Sorry about that, guys. And it is a sub-frame lock, same as on the original zero tolerance 777. So that's kind of a neat carryover, guys. This is a really affordable version of the 777. I think it's great. Go ahead and buy it at BladeHQ.com. This is the Kershaw Natrix.